Welcome to Varsity, exploring the root causes of school violence and discussing preventative measures like improved mental health resources, responsible gun control policies, and fostering a supportive school environment could be impactful. School safety procedures are, incredibly important. Lockdown drills, security measures, and communication systems play a crucial role in keeping everyone safe. These procedures are not just routine exercises, they are vital practices that ensure the well-being of students, teachers, and staff in the event of an emergency. Schools implement a variety of security measures, such as controlled access points, surveillance cameras, and emergency communication systems. These measures are designed to prevent unauthorized access and to quickly alert everyone in the building if a threat arises. The school intercom system, for instance, can be used to make important announcements and provide instructions during a crisis. It's essential that both students and staff are familiar with these procedures. Regular training sessions and drills help ensure that everyone knows what to do and where to go in case of an emergency. Teachers play a crucial role in this process by explaining safety procedures to their students and reviewing emergency plans with them. This preparation helps to build confidence and reduce panic during an actual emergency. Being prepared can make all the difference in an emergency. Practicing emergency evacuations and participating in emergency preparedness training can save lives. These drills teach students and staff how to respond quickly and efficiently, whether it's evacuating the building during a fire drill or taking cover during a lockdown. The goal is to ensure that everyone can act swiftly and calmly, minimizing the risk of injury or harm. In addition to physical safety measures, schools also focus on the emotional well-being of students. School counselors often talk to students about the importance of safety procedures and provide support to those who may feel anxious about drills or potential emergencies. Open discussions about safety can help alleviate fears and ensure that students understand the importance of these procedures. Parents also play a vital role in school safety. Many schools hold safety meetings and involve parents in the discussion about safety procedures. This collaboration helps to create a comprehensive safety plan that takes into account the concerns and suggestions of the entire school community. When parents are informed and involved, they can reinforce the importance of safety procedures at home, further supporting the school's efforts. Regular safety audits and equipment checks are another crucial aspect of maintaining a safe school environment. School safety officers conduct these audits to identify potential hazards and ensure that all safety equipment, such as fire extinguishers and first aid kits, are in working order. These proactive measures help to prevent accidents and ensure that the school is prepared for any emergency. Ultimately, the goal of school safety procedures is to create a secure and supportive learning environment. By regularly practicing drills, implementing security measures, and fostering open communication, schools can better protect their students and staff. It's a collective effort that requires the participation and cooperation of everyone in the school community. When everyone is prepared and informed, the school becomes a safer place for all. Let's shift our focus to stories of resilience. These are the tales that remind us of the indomitable human spirit, the ability to rise from the ashes, and the power of hope and unity. Resilience is not just about bouncing back, it's about growing stronger in the face of adversity. Rather than dwelling on survival tactics, it's inspiring to see communities coming together after tragedies. When disaster strikes, it's the collective effort, the shared compassion, and the unwavering support that make the difference. These moments of unity are a testament to the strength of the human connection. These stories highlight the importance of support systems and mental health resources. In the aftermath of a crisis, emotional and psychological support becomes crucial. Support groups, therapy sessions, and mental health hotlines provide a lifeline to those struggling to cope. They remind us that it's okay to seek help and that no one has to face their challenges alone. In times of crisis, the strength and unity of a community can truly shine through. Volunteers stepping up to distribute aid, neighbors forming human chains to rescue those in danger, and community rallies to raise awareness and funds. These actions reflect the best of humanity. They show that even in the darkest times, there is light, and that light comes from our collective efforts to support and uplift one another. Resilience is also about rebuilding and moving forward. It's about creating new memories in spaces where old ones were lost. Children playing in a newly rebuilt playground, families coming together to reconstruct their homes and community gardens flourishing once more. These are the symbols of hope and renewal. They show that life goes on and that we can create beauty and joy even after the most devastating events. The stories of resilience are often passed down through generations. An elderly person sharing their experiences with younger generations, teaching them the values of perseverance and hope, is a powerful image. These intergenerational bonds strengthen the fabric of our communities, ensuring that the lessons of resilience are never forgotten. Memorials and tributes also play a significant role in the healing process. Candlelight vigils, where people come together to remember and honor those lost, create a sense of solidarity and shared grief. Murals painted in memory of loved ones serve as a lasting tribute and a reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. Education about resilience starts early. Schools and educational workshops that teach children about coping strategies and the importance of mental health lay the foundation for a resilient future generation. These lessons equip young minds with the tools they need to navigate life's challenges with strength and grace. Community leaders play a pivotal role in fostering resilience. Their words of encouragement, their actions, and their ability to bring people together inspire hope and unity. When leaders stand with their communities, it sends a powerful message that together we can overcome any obstacle. As we look to the future, the stories of resilience remind us that every new day brings new opportunities for growth and healing. The sunrise over a recovering city symbolizes hope and the promise of a better tomorrow. It's a reminder that no matter how tough the times, we have the strength to rise again. Ultimately, resilience is about the human spirit's ability to endure, adapt, and thrive. It's about coming together, supporting one another, and looking forward with hope and determination. These stories of resilience are a testament to our collective strength and the unbreakable bonds that unite us all. School shootings are not just isolated incidents, they are a symptom of deeper societal issues. The causes behind these tragedies are complex and multifaceted. Factors such as bullying, mental health issues, and access to firearms all play a role. It is crucial to address these root causes to prevent future incidents. The impact of a school shooting is profound and far-reaching. For students, the trauma can last a lifetime, affecting their mental health, academic performance, and overall well-being. Teachers and staff, who are often on the front lines during these events, also experience significant emotional and psychological strain. The entire community feels the ripple effects, with a loss of sense of security and trust. This is why mental health awareness and early intervention are so important. By identifying and supporting individuals who may be struggling, we can address potential issues before they escalate into violence. Schools should have robust mental health programs in place, including access to counselors, peer support initiatives, and educational programs that promote emotional well-being. Creating an environment where students feel safe to express their feelings and seek help is crucial. Encouraging open conversations about mental health can reduce stigma and make it easier for those in need to come forward. It's also essential to have systems in place for early detection of warning signs. Training teachers, staff, and students to recognize these signs can make a significant difference. When someone is identified as being at risk, immediate and appropriate interventions should be available. Understanding school shootings and their impact is a critical step in preventing future tragedies. By addressing the underlying causes and prioritizing mental health, we can work towards creating a safer, more supportive environment for everyone. First and foremost, it's crucial to identify safe hiding spots. Look for locations that can be locked or barricaded and are out of the shooter's line of sight. Classrooms, storage rooms, and even bathrooms can serve as temporary refuges. Make sure these spots are known to you and your peers ahead of time. Staying quiet is another critical survival tactic. Silence your cell phones and avoid making any noise that could give away your location. Communicate with others through text messages if necessary, and keep movements to a minimum. Effective communication with law enforcement during an active shooter situation can also be a lifesaver. If you are able to call 911, provide clear and concise information about your location, the number of shooters, and any other relevant details. Stay on the line as long as possible, and follow the operator's instructions closely. Mental preparedness is just as important as physical actions. Staying calm under pressure can help you think more clearly and make better decisions. Practice breathing exercises and mental rehearsals of different scenarios to build your resilience. Lastly, remember the importance of teamwork. Coordinate with those around you. share information, and support each other. In times of crisis, unity can make a significant difference in survival. By understanding these practical ways to survive a school shooting, we can empower ourselves and each other to act swiftly and effectively if the unthinkable happens. Pause to S. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to prioritize safety and preparedness in our schools. Pause to S.